I wanted to share some of the details of all of the yarns we're going to have in the Celtic Knits Club 2026. So this goes on pre-sale. It's open right now, but it will close before the end of the year, and the first deliveries will be coming in March. Every year we slightly change the yarn and the colours all the way through, and this year we've got both exclusive colours in all of the yarns, and we also have a brand new yarn for the final installment that I want to share with you. So I'm going to go through each of the installments with the different yarns that are coming. So there's two options that you will have, and the colours for each option are paired together, so they're not mix and match. It's all one or all the other, but I'm going to share the details of the yarn that come in each. So these ones here are your option 1 and option 2 for the first installment, which is our Solas yarn. So this is a slightly lighter DK weight, so it's a little bit lighter of the 3 ones that we're looking at. And it is a really soft mix of merino, silk, and a little bit of cashmere. And all of the yarns that I'm showing you as well, they've all been milled for us in Donegal exclusively for the club. And we have never had any of these colours before. So this one is quite a traditional cream. I think it's a very pretty colour. We'll show everything up. And this orange is just, I love it. It's just such a fun colour, really bright, and it's going to make anything you knit with this just jump out. So this is the first one, Solas. The next one, you may have been familiar with it. These are brand new colours from one of the original yarns from the Celtic Knits Club. This is Blasta. So Blasta yarn it's a DK weight. It is 60% Irish fleece and 40% New Zealand fleece. And it is really, really pleasant to knit with. It's a little bit more rustic as you're working with it, but it blooms really well. So the stitches fill in, and it's very forgiving, particularly if you're newer to cables. So these are the two options. You've got a dark green and a really lovely chocolatey brown as well. So this is the second installment, the Blasta colours. So our third installment here, and this is the brand new one. This is spun specially for us. We have never had this spun before, and it is just lovely. We've got this, it's our Milis yarn, and it's got 60% Irish fleece and 40% alpaca. So you've got this lovely little halo from the alpaca and lightening up the actual fleece. So you can see we've also got some really gorgeous tweedy effects going through here. This one is in a light purpley lilac color, and this is a mossy green color. So just gorgeous colors for the final. This is going to be the final installment. So with this one, you will get enough to knit either the wrap or one of your garments, depending on which option you picked for. These ones are very limited spin run, so when it's gone, it is gone. So if there's one of these options that really jumps out to you, I would encourage you not to wait getting into the Celtic Knits Club. So if you missed our previous video, our theme this year is all about our yarn evolution. So as you can probably imagine, all of these yarns we're going to be using to create using Aran stitches, traditional Aran stitches, but taking them in new directions. We're not sure where it's going to go, but it's going to be a lot of fun to design, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun knitting it as well. If you want to see more details, you'll find the link down below, which is going to bring you to the Celtic Knits landing page, which will give you all of the details, and you can pick either option 1 or option 2 for your yarns. So have fun with your knitting, and I think you will really enjoy knitting with all 3 of these very, very special yarns. And do let us know which option you've actually picked as you go through, because I am very curious.